I got trapped in such one scenario. Like here I use my second account to you trade, like to manage that trade. If you see 5,000 negative, oh shit, what did I close here? I don't know. Again I made a mistake over here. Oh, let market not go up, like so that I will be able to manage my positions over here, right? Okay, I don't know what is happening over here. Nifty bank is okay. Here itself I have to manage this position and I have to take exit. And here I guess which chart was here, like here it itself over here. So here if you see, like 37,000 was round number resistance and I took entry at market price. But the thing what happened is like okay, it is taking at a support. If you see over here my positions are in 2600 negative, and here okay, so here 3800 positive, right? I don't know like whether market will go up or go down, but the trend is positive, so I have to think like booking profit early. If you see over here the loss running up 3000, like 4000, and here too okay, again I missed that trade, and again I was not like I closed. I don't know why what is happening over here. If you see, just look at this. Okay, here right itself, just look at this. So I almost like managed that position, but here if you see, like only 1,000 rupees and here 4,000. So that's how I again got trapped over here, and I like I will be not able to manage this position again over here, right? If you see, just look at Nifty is taking support from day low over here, and Bank Nifty is continuing its trend, and it is giving me a loss of almost like 5,000 rupees over here and 1,000 rupees over here. So actually this position was like around 4 5k positive over here, and this was like negative. But here we will wait here. Like I was against the trade, so that I might book a good loss today. But here the main thing is that I utilized the second account, but here I was not able to book that loss. Like 2,500 was in my limit, but here I was not, like I closed that window and I was not able to book that loss, right? Again if it comes like 3,000 or 2,800, I will try to book. Like here if you see, like 25 points, right? So here it will be like only 2,500 rupees, right? And I also not utilize that limit order also, right? So that's why I was not able to book that loss. But here if it comes like 2,800, like over here 2,500 or 3,000, I will try to book loss over here, right? Because this is a wrong trade. I wanted to get it at a lower price, but I got like around like 20 point higher than the previous one, right? Here I'm like coming near my loss limit, and here it is like something positive over here. If you see the graphs over here, it is trying to break the previous day low. So like we can hold for target also, but here the main thing is that I am in a wrong trade, so that's why I'm waiting for this to, right? I'm waiting for my stop loss to hit, right? Here if you see 3,300 again, okay, where it went up to, like okay, here going down. I will see this graph because this graph speaks a lot, and actually where at that time, like if you see over there, we will be not able to book that, right? Okay, I don't know what I'm speaking over here, but here the if loss is like around 2,800. Okay, now it is coming near our level, so we will wait here to see like how market is behaving at this level. If you see, Nifty is almost like at the same level. If you see at this level, 2,000, 3,000 over running over here. Okay, I guess 5 minute candle has just closed over here with a red candle, and now we need to wait for low to broke. But here I don't know like whether it will break. For Nifty, it has like just look at this. For Bank Nifty, it has a support at this level. If you see, 37,000 will act as a support over here, right? Just look at this. Again 3,000. Again here 3,000. I think I have to lock my profit over here. I guess okay, here again if you see, just look at this, right? Okay, we'll see this graph over here. Now it has given a rejection from upside, currently running 2,900. You see, and like if it is breaks within a minute, I will try to book my profit over here at 2,600. Now my near my loss limit, like no earlier my loss stop loss price. If you see, again hit it like okay. So here if you see, it has given a breakout, and here also a glute spike. So I'm going to, okay, where is that? Okay, here itself, right? Okay, if you see over here, so I'm trying to book my position over here, and here also I'm trying to book my position over here, right? So here on this both I have booked my position. I will close this graph, and I will close that like I have to hold this trade because it is going in my favor. But here my entry and stop loss was wrong, so that's why I exited from this trade, right? If you see over here, we booked 5,600 rupees, which was actually showing, like if you see entry exit over here. Okay. Mm, sale price is 303, right? Okay. It is at cost right over here. And in Zerodha, if you see, like we have seen only 1,500 rupees, but we were not able to book at that price, right? So here, like we almost booked 2,500 rupees loss in this trade. If you see, our exit price is like 246, and now currently running to 54, right? So again, like here, I have to click on exit, but here, like these were two positions, so that's why I was not able to hold. Again, if you see, market is at same level and it can give a breakdown, like Nifty has given a breakdown, but here the trend is positive, so that's why I'm not holding this buying Nifty option. Though it is a good trade right over here. And we will trade according to our setup, right? This was my mistake. Like if I tell you over here, just look at, so I entered at, okay, this was like one trade which I put AMO order over here. Like if gets filled, then it will be fine over here, right? 60 price. So 3,000 rigs in this trade, but here it did not happen, like it did not executed, so I cancel order after 30 seconds. If you see bank Nifty over here, okay, just look at this, it going upside, right? So if I hold, like it will give me more good profit, like 10k also. But here it was just a holding trade. If you see, my entry was at this level, stop loss was very small, and I exited with a very small target, which was like uh, averaging up right over here. If you see, averaging up like 2,500 loss over here, and 5,600. So in actual I book like almost how much, 3k, yeah, 3k. So here 3k book, but here you just look at this 304 rupees my exit price. Now it is trading at, like at that time also, if you see, it was trading at 310. So like 4 rupees, that means around like 1,000 rupees I miss over there, right? Okay, okay, I'll go with our setup first. Like if you see, Nifty is fully uptrend, so it is a retracement, it can go upside. And for, sorry, Bank Nifty, right? And it is for Nifty, just look at day high and resistance are at same level, so resistance did not broken and low is now broken. So we can definitely today try a sell trend right here. But if you see, this momentum is almost like around say 57 points, so market has a support at this level. If you see, market has a support at this level, and we are like, we were trapped in this situation here in this order. So that's why we were like we were not able to book that, like take that entry over here, right? If you see put prices over here, so 90 rupees will go with this. Just look at this right over here, entry 78, stop loss 70, now trading at 90, right? Okay, here. Okay, talking about this going well over here, and if you see positions, like it is at 264 level, which is like only 1,000 rupees negative over here, right? Or if you see 260, 262 level, 260 is running, right? 264. Our entry got triggered at 272. This was another story. Like if you see over here, like in P, just look at it. So my order got triggered at 921.07, right? If you see 921.07, so 921 candle, which is like over here, right? This candle, right? So at this level, the price was at around like 255 or 256. I entered at market price, and it got triggered at 272 right over here. Just look at this, right? 2,000 rupees extra from my stop loss, right? If you see currently, like trade going in our favor, even this also like going in our favor. Here it is like 251. Like I exited at 303, and it is now trading at 40 point higher, right? So 40 points into 175 quantity, which like 7,000 extra, right? But here this was not set up. It was just a average of quantity like over there, right? Okay, I will go with the chart first. Just look at this. Market did not came at support. It has taken support from this week, not from this week. It has taken support from this high, right? Or just look at this, right? So we don't know like where it will go. So we have to go with the risk reward first over here. So if I short it at over here, just look at this. My stop loss and my target will get easily hit, and I will not wait for here to get my target over here, right? Same like here, like I did not waited here, I just exited because it has covered my loss, and the price which I am getting, which is like absolutely fine for me, right? Okay, like if I hold, I will be like in a profit of around like 700 800 rupees, but that was my not my trade, right? If you see over here, 17,900 put option over here. If you see, like it is at trading at 149 over here, right? So if I tell you that this entry exit, just look at this, right? 9 rupees stop loss and it went almost like 24 rupees, right? In here that was a day high resistance, so definitely I will try to book profit at this level, at that level, right? Okay, again if you see the bullish momentum over here, and like there is no stop loss, so we will not wait, we will not take trade over here, right? Okay, the video length is like 10 minutes and like we have managed a good provision, so I will close this account. Like it has given a good profit today over here, like for 5,600 rupees, and no matter we have booked a loss over here like 2,500, which is like in limit, right? So that's what we plan, like 2,500 or 2,800 loss we will take in this position. Okay, I will find an opportunity in like, okay, if you see engulfing candle over here, but as per my strategy the trend is negative. If you see just consolidation, downfall, retracement, downfall, retracement, and again downfall right here, but these candles are not looking good, so that's why I'm waiting for an opportunity, right? Okay, like previously 2 3 days videos are ready, but video lengths are almost like around 40 45 50 minutes, so like I'm not able to record that videos, like edit that videos. I'm not getting time, so that's why the video are not uploaded to the YouTube. Please excuse me for that, because like if you see like I will show you here right itself. Where was that? Okay, here if you see like for the first, second, third, fifth, right? Actually, this is running. So 512 MB, right? So 293. This was for yesterday. This was previous day. Yeah, for previous day there are 3 4 videos. Just look at 1 2 3 4, right? And for yesterday there was one video which is like around like 40 plus minutes. So that's why like I have to edit that, so that like you will be able to utilize your like you will be able to see minimum trades with minimum time, like all trades with minimum time. But here 42 minutes no one will watch, so that's why I did not upload this video. And for this also like 2 3 threads right over here, 4 videos right over here. Okay, we'll see over here like what happens. I will stop recording. Like if I get any entry at retracement, definitely I will enter. For bank nifty, if you see retracement also, like we have to plan a trade over here, but here I'm not taking. Just look at this 0.5 level rejection right over here, and 37,000 also is round number, so that we have talked in our video also. Like if you see over here, okay, 36,700 will be like a good option for us. Like okay, 37,800 call option, like 36,800 call option right over here. 388. Okay, fine, it's fine right over here. If you see your entry and stop loss, what will be like, what it will be like, just look at this. Okay, 36 point, definitely absolutely fine, nothing to worry about it. Currently running 50 plus points. Okay, 50 plus point, not 50 plus, but here currently running 50 plus point over here. Just look at 40 plus points, so 1:1 already done. Our target will be like over here itself, right? 413 or 400 or okay. For nifty it is at resistance if we see, but these are the very bullish candles, so I'm not taking entry over here, right? Okay, bank nifty is now at here the target got hit. If you see this 933 candle, which is like at 933 at this level, right? So here in option target did not hit it, but in spot chart target got hit, right? So definitely you can try this, like you can exit this trade, because like I go with the index chart, not with the option chart, right? Yeah, definitely it will hit your target, but just look at it will take resistors from here not from here, right? So index will get followed. Like if it gives the rejection like downside, then what you will do, you can't do anything, right? So better to exit at this price, right? Okay, it has given a breakout at this level, and just look at this. So this trade is going in warfare, but I was like I did not see, like I exited here and I did not see chart for bank nifty, right? We were discussing about nifty and other things, right? So here if you see like it almost gave like 70 points over here, and here we took like 25 rupees stop loss in the previous trade, right? If you see over here, like I shorted at, like I got at this level, right? I got at this level and I exited at the same level. And here if you see like if I get at this level, I definitely I will get 100 points on nifty right over here, bank nifty. Just look at this same level, 70 plus point, which is like 1:2 over here, right? 1:2. Talking about the nifty has given like very bullish momentum over here, so there is a no retracement. Like if you see, it is a v-shaped recovery, right? There will be a resistance at day high only itself, right? We'll go with the 15-minute chart. If you see retest, what a beautiful retest in 5 minutes. If you see, still there is a like engulfing candle which is like plan over here, right? But for engulfing candle, you have to always notice the stop loss which is like 50 points, and 50 points is not of my pocket size right over here. And Bank Nifty has given a breakout from the previous levels. If you see, it is running like, if you see trailing SL will give like almost 100 points, which is like 1000, 10,000. 100 into like 100 points, no? 100 into 100. If you see 100 into 100, like 10,000 rupees. So here, like, we missed this trade, I guess. Okay, nothing to worry about that. We'll still find any opportunity to take trade. If you see, just look at it, it's just booming over here, right over here. Just look at this. Might like if I hold that 5 straight, na, it will give me like around 20 plus, right? Because at that time it has given like 5 7k, like at that in that account right over here. If you see a bullish momentum, just look at this bullish momentum. Now Nifty is at day high resistance, and these candles are not looking retracement candles, so that's why we are not entering in this trade, and we are just waiting for another sign to take trade. Okay, I'll stop recording. It is like 16 minutes. Okay, I like this. Okay, 16 minutes over here, right? Okay, this is like how this is what happens when you go with the trend, right? For Nifty, just look at this. These are not retracement candles, so we did not enter. But here, definitely, this is downfall, a small retracement, hammer candle, small SL, and definitely the target will be like day low, like not a day low, but the previous swing, which is like at this level, right? And here, if you go with the risk reward, it has given you like 1:2 over here. And for Bank Nifty, it was clearly a uptrend. If you see like uptrend, then now followed with a consolidation, and here if you see, there was a one entry which is like at this level. Here the stop loss got hit, and here the second entry which is like target got hit. But if you notice the uh, SL and all these things, now just look at this. So SL is around like 45 points right over here. If you see, so 45 rupees SL. If you see, and here if you see, SL was like around say 50 points right over 50 52 points over here, right? But here the target was like around 130, like this one, right? For the first one, which is like 1:2, and this one, right? If you see the trade, like there is no reason to exit from this trade, right? So like it's a secure person will always book 1:1 or 1:1.5, but if I trail my SL, then definitely I can book good return over here. Okay, Nifty taking resistance here, but the candles are looking very bullish. If you see in 15-minute time frame, just look at this, right? So it has covered up over here. Now like, it's just the 3 minute, I guess, right? It is just a 3 minute, like 4 minute right over here. Okay, just a small candle, no confirmation, but still we will add put to our list. If you see, like we have added the put to our list, like, and if you see, oh, 17,900, and spot price is almost like around 17,800 at 100 rupees, 100 rupees. Like it's a good. I think we are late in this trade. Like we are not late, but we are waiting for some sign, because this is just a small candle, and just look at this, might be a small pullback over here, right? And for Bank Nifty also, there is like a up move of almost like from here to here. It's almost like 250 points. So there is like small retracement over here, and this is what happening over here, right? So this is not a reversal sign or anything like as of now, right? Because there is no candlestick hammer or anything, right? It is just like if you see for Nifty also, Nifty has already moved like 75 points, so it has to retrace a bit, or it has to give a sign like 10 point. It's just common thing in Nifty, right? If you see, just look at for this 10 point, there is no move in options, right? If you see, just look at 4 5 rupees, right? And there is no volume also, like everyone knows this is just a retracement, and when they will get confirmation, definitely they will trade with high quantity, and this volume get picked up, right? Okay, let's look at this. So this was like this is how your risk reward ratio and trade look like, right? I guess I will upload this video, like I will not get time if I combine all these 2 3 videos right away. Just look at this. So these are the two trades in which one SL got hit at 50 points, and here the target and all these things happen, and like it has given a good profit over here. If you see, it is almost like 180 to 183 pointed. Okay, I think I have to try CE over here, because it is like in favor. If you see, okay, we will wait here for proper setup, because this is a proper setup. Like it has to hit today. It has to hit like 17,900. Like if you see, Nifty has crossed. Okay, it had not crossed, so we are waiting. But here there definitely there are chances that we'll go with the 4 hour time frame to find any resistances, right? So I will mark resistances at this level. Okay, there is a resistance at this level. We will take closing because when it will go there, like when it goes there, we will draw this level. But as of now, there is a resistance at 18,130 level, right? I'll go switch it to the 2 hour to. Okay, here we have a 1 week at this level. If you see closing in the week, just look at this, right? So again I will switch it to the 1 hour time frame. If you see, okay, there was a one channel pattern over here. That channel pattern was broken down. Just look at this right over here. So again we are standing at the same channel pattern level, I guess. Just look at this right over here. Okay, and don't take this as a breakout, huh? So this is just like support, or we can say, oh, studio driver available. Okay, we'll switch it to the, okay, here, right? If you see over here, just look at this, right? Again I will switch it to bit higher right over here, right? So like I am properly taking this support resistance line over here, right? If you see in 15 minute, just look at this, right? Market taking resistance at the same level, right? So here you can definitely take trade at day high resistance. If you see over here, it is like this one, right? So small quantity big target trades you can definitely place at this level, right? If you see the stop loss is like very small, but here the chances are very less because market is in uptrend, and now it has taken, like it has given a week at this level. So like uh, what market did, market went up, took resistance, came down, took circuit, again came going upside, right? So here it will spend time and then it will give breakout to 17,935, which is like this level. Again I will switch it to the 1 hour time frame and I will see like if there is a resistance previous, like before this level where market can take a resistance. Yeah, definitely it can take resistance at this level. If you see there are 1 2 weeks which is like closing price, just look at this, right? So this will be like our first target. Okay, I will extend this. Okay, so these are the target zones and support resistance zones for us, right? We'll delete this drawing and I will plan according, like I will plan my trends according to this trend right over here. So this will be like my first target, which is like 17,900, which is like around level resistance. For bank nifty, if you see bank nifty is still going upside. Nifty is consolidating at the same level because yesterday nifty has like moved almost like 0.56%, and bank nifty was still consolidating at day high, right? Again, like this is a, what do we see? Look at 5 minute time frame. It is creating a doji. It has not crossed the day high. It is an inside candle. So definitely these are the multiple scenarios. Like here if you see this is a 5 minute time frame, so market can spend time over here also, right? And then it will give a breakout, right? These things are possible, or it can directly go up. This is also possible because it is 9:45 right over here. Okay, so like you guys know my plan for the day. Here like we are in a loss of almost like 2,500 today. That was my mistake, nothing to worry about that. Okay, if you see, just look at the closing, right? It is taking support. If you see, it is going upside, so we have to get ready with our CE graph over here, right? If you see, okay, we are waiting for this to give a sign. I guess it has given a sign, so I will. Okay, one mistake. I'm entering at starting price, which is not favorable, right? So here the one mistake which I have done is like entering in the start of the candle, right? So I have to wait for closing and then I have to take entry right here. 200 quantity, I will open that graph in a new window, and here I will see nifty 50, right? So this was mistake which I felt like that I did, and like I'm getting okay, we'll see like here we have entered at closing time, but I'm entering at what price at entry price. So like it is just open bit higher, so that's why I entered, so which is like wrong thing. But here we will take our SL and target right over here. If you see bank nifty is already up, nifty is just consolidating at same level. Nifty has given a red candle over here, right? And it is just going down, positions running like 1,000 rupees negative over here. So these mistakes I have to avoid, and I do this generally, like regularly. Not generally, regularly I do this type of mistakes over here. Okay, but we are in a trend, so like we are holding our trade till stop loss or target. Bank Nifty is already bit up, so Nifty has to give at least a fake breakout. I'm expecting that fake breakout, right? Currently running, we have to place target also. Like if you see over here, okay, I will exit at random like market price, right? Because like for 2 3 days we have done this mistakes like 2 3 times also. It is closing time or okay, now it is at closing time, so definitely it will give it will go up. I'm not sure it will go up now or not. It is now like 4,000 rupees. It came up to like 9,000. Like, just look at this 49. I'll see like if market gives breakout or not, right? But here this breakout, like we have a okay, it has closed very strong. It is going upside. It has it is like, just look at this. So definitely our target will be like this level, which is like 164 level, right? We'll see like market break this level or not, or will market take resistance at this level. And definitely this is a good profit, right? For this trade, this is a good profit, 1100 rupees to 100 rupees, which is like good profit for this bar. Okay, meanwhile we have also look, we have to also look bank nifty, which is like if bank nifty take resistance, nifty will get pause, right? Because nifty is not moving up. So this is how like what happens. If you see again, we came back to 1000. Just look at this. So this, if this is a breakout is good one, it has to go straight up. It has not, it did like it is spending time over here, so that means it might be a fake out also, because here in higher time frame we have seen these patterns, right? Okay, we are noticing a head and shoulder pattern over here. Just look at this. So this might be possible, right? We'll see how positions running. Okay, here I will place target at 165. Like I will like getting ready. I will be like getting ready here also. Like if I close that window, then I will okay, here it is taking resistance. I guess there is a resistance, I guess, because market has not, market didn't. Okay, just look at it, has given a high of 157 level over here. We'll see like how. Okay, market going upside. Bank nifty already is given a breakout, right? Okay, 155. Okay, closing strong. Bank Nifty is closing with a week, right? And Bank Nifty has already traveled almost like around 400, like 500 points over here, right? Okay, I guess we have to see our positions over here. Okay, just look at Nifty is going upside, and this is just look at this. Nifty is upside, and this graph is taking resistance. Now it is like we're going upside. Now currently we are in a profit of 1,000 rupees over here, and I have to book my profit at this level, I guess. You see over here. Okay, I will place my order at 165 level itself, right over here, which is like 165 level. Okay, go fast, man. Which is high made, which is like around 163 level itself, right over here. I can trail my stop loss. I can trail my order also, right over here. So like definitely I will. Okay, I think I have made a mistake in previous one trade, so that's why I will not make that mistake again. I will try to book profit at 165 itself, right? No matter. Just look at, so Nifty has already moved very much up, but this option price is not hitting. But here my entry got hit. Okay, that's it for the day. This is like short video and shorted. I will not take trade because in that account we have made a good profit today, right? Okay, from loss to zero, you know guys how to manage risk and all these things, right? I will refresh this again. Just look at this. It has hit our target and coming down, but nothing matter. Like we have our trades, like it will consolidate, and but it has to go till this level because next resistance is like this. And I guess it has closed very strong. If you see, it has closed very strong. Just look at this at this level, right? If you see 15-minute candle, just look at this, right? So this is what our plan was, right? We are entered with a very small stop loss. If you see the small stop loss, just look like this only, right here. It is, just look at this. We exited at this level, right? So this is how like 1 is to 2.74 trade and closing for the day. Like if I did not make this mistake, definitely I will book a good profit today, right? Yeah. So charges will be like 200 rupees for today, and profit of almost like 1400, right? Okay, nothing to worry about that. It has made a high of 166 always, right? 166 level, right? Only. And for Bank Nifty, I really miss this trade. Just look at this, right? So we were talking about yesterday trade, and it has given like 37,000 engulfing candle and all these things with a small stop loss. Just look at this. So we have also strike price added over there also, like, so it was just thing that we have to take entry with the 40 rupees stop loss, and within 1 2 3 4 5 minutes it is 1 is to 3, right? Okay, just look at this over here. So again, a good day for me, like within four, like this was my mistake. Definitely. Okay, Bank Nifty is like going very strong. Just look at this 500 point movement already done. So, and we have successfully missed that. Even if you see like at this level, morning strategy day high broken. So here our stop loss like very weak. So that's why we are not we are not interested to at this level. But here I interested, like I take entry at this level, but I got it at here. So I hold it. It was giving me a 6 kilos over there. So, and then I average up that quantity, and I know that it has to test 37,000 level round number resistance. Like, so market will not go up like 37,000, like I will explain, like 37,000 breakout, and it will not go directly till 35,200 300, right? It has to come back and again retest 37,000 level, and then it has to go up, right? And these are the chances, like 35,000, like 37,000 round number breakout and breakdown, right? So this might be possible. So that's why I added quantity. There was no reason, other reason, there was no price action, there was nothing, right? So market has to take resistance and support at this round number. If you see at this level, it has did the same thing, breakout, retest, like at this level we waited here, and then we book profit at the same level, because it is just like 50 points which we are getting less, right? Here 37,050, if you notice 35,750. So we book at this level in the thinking of it may create a spike and it will go up, right? Here, like if we wait, we will definitely book good profit like around 10k. But that was not our trade. We, like, this was like opposite to our trade, right? So that's why we exited over here itself. Just look at this, right. Just look at the morning volatility, right over here. Okay, we'll go with this chart. Just look at this. It has again hit at 164 level, right? 163.9 over here. Okay, nothing to worry about that. And we know our target, but here we are just scalpers. If you see, we are just scalpers, so that's why we entered at 144, we exited at 164, right? So here 20 points, that means I booked almost like 1 is to 2 profit, right? Let's look at this again. It has hit at like 166.3 right over here. So definitely trade is going in our favor. Okay, 32 minute, the same thing happened yesterday also, like it almost like more than half an hour video, right over here. Okay, okay, here we booked 1,000 rupees today, 1,1400 rupees, right? If we exclude charges, 250 plus points. Just look at this with trailing SL. Just look at, there is only one trailing SL, like at this level, cost to cost, then this level, and now it is at 520 or 530 level, right? Itself, it is giving per lot. If you see 4 lots, it is giving almost like 250 points right over here. So 250 into 25, which is like around 6,000, and we had 4 lots, which is like 25,000. So this is our, like, just look at some 300 to 600, right? If you see, it was like 300 to 600, like double the return, right? Okay, taking resistance, it has given a small candle, so we are not planning to sell. The trend is positive. Here the day low was broken, but these candles are not retracement, right? That's why we did not sell. Instead of selling, we bought with a very small stop loss. Like here we entered at 244, right? And even I also noticed that I entered at 144, but I entered with just a candle opening, right? So that was the wrong time. So like if I entered at closing time or at this level, I might get at 142 143 level, right? And here stop loss was just 7 rupees, 6 7 rupees. If you see 7 rupees right over here, from 7 rupees it has given like 20 rupees, and we booked that 20 rupees all profit. Okay, talking about why Nifty is doing these things, because just look at it is just consolidating. It has made a range and now it is like given a fake breakout. There will be only moment if high gets broken, right? And there will be like very small moment. But for Bank Nifty, if you see, for Bank Nifty, there is a good momentum which is already done. So we will not plan to take any trade over Bank Nifty, because what will Bank Nifty will do? Bank Nifty will only uh, try to consolidate at this level. And if you see option prices are already very big up, right? Okay, I will stop video and post it to YouTube, because today is a like got trade over here, right? 35 minute, which like less video. I will see like if there is a strong network connectivity, I will definitely try to upload it by today. It's like now itself, because if I get busy in my work, then I will not upload. Like I will not get time to upload it, right? Okay, that's it. Thank you for the day.